Hey folks, Rob here. Today we're checking out a super handy gadget that might just change the way you handle notes forever. This is the Umevo Note AI voice recorder. And yes, it's got a little chat GPT magic inside. So what's the big deal? Well, this tiny recorder is powered by ChatGPT 4 and it can transcribe in over 140 languages with a 99% accuracy rate. That means you're basically never going to miss a detail again. Whether you're in a meeting, a lecture, or even out on a shoot if you're a fellow content creator like me. And check this out, it's ultra portable, literally the size of a bank card, weighing in at 45.9 grams. You just stick it on your notebook or your phone and boom, hands-free note taking. Super handy for professionals in the medical, legal fields, journalists, teachers, students, sales reps, and of course, content creators. It's got a reliable one-touch recording for 40 hours of battery life and 64 gigs of storage. Plus, it's got military-grade security to keep everything safe. And hey, you get a free year of unlimited transcriptions before any fees kick in. Here's an example of how the Umevo Note AI voice recorder works with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm going to test out the features. I'm going to read a recipe on how to make apple pie to show you how great this Umevo note-taking AI works. The best way to make apple pie involves using a double crust, preparing a flavorful filling mix of tart and sweet apples, and optionally pre-cooking the fillings to enhance texture and flavor. A key step highlighted by multiple recipes is pre-cooking the apple filling for about 5 minutes on the stove. I'm gonna replay it for you so you can hear how clear everything sounds. Umevo note-taking AI works. So the best way to make apple pie involves using a double crust, preparing flavorful fillings with a mix of tarts and sweet apples. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a transcribe of the actual reading I just did right there. Click into that. I'm going to do a transcription. Now, you have to pick a template for the type of meeting note that you take. Or, like I said, if you're in a meeting or something, or if this is a phone call, it's good to set up a template. The app provides you a number of templates to use for the type of message that you're taking. So I'm going to put this in as class notes. I'm going to generate a transcription. Takes about less than 15 seconds to do this, depending on how many templates you did press though. But if you use just one template, it will make the transcription a little faster. And as you can see, I got the product transcribed. Right now I'm transcribing a summary. This may take a minute or so. But as you can see, here's the word for words. And it was pretty accurate. No problems at all. And it breaks down a summary for me. Gives me an introduction. Gives me a summary of results. All of this is nice and clean. The action items, it breaks down everything based on that template. So if you're looking to cut down on note-taking time and make your life a whole lot easier, definitely check out the Umevo Note AI voice recorder. I'll drop a link in the description, and always let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.